She's here. She's over here.
Mama behind us. Watch out, guys.
Come close to me, guys.
Just stay in one spot.
Yeah, baby chicks want to come through. Come over here, guys. Come over here.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, oh! Get out of the way.
Here they go. Here they go. Oh, so cool. Oh my God, they started to go after us. That was so cute. Oh. That's why she. Did she get them all?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Aww.
Baby, that was a cute
I was like, what's that sound? Ducks spilling out of the trees.
That's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That's the coolest thing you've ever seen?
It looks like a tiger to
Just
me.
like tumbling down?
They're up in that log, hiding.
Oh, their nest is up there, you think?
Or it's in the van, I'm sure.
Well, what were they doing up there?
They're just cruising around.
There's a lot of them. There's so many. Oh, you guys are swimming out. Come on. Bye, duckling. Bye, duckling.
Bye, duckling.
Emmett, do not pick up rocks right now.
Hey.
No rocks.
Bye,
No
bye,
throwing rocks,
duckling.
Emmett.
Bye. Bye-bye. He's going.
That was so cute they started to come toward us.
I know. I thought the mom was going to attack us.
No, I didn't.
No, Marlo.
Yeah, I thought the mom was going to attack us too. I thought she was going to. Come on, let's go. Come on, Marlo, let's go back.